In this video I'm covering how to use the min function using VBA and by using a formula in Excel. I would like to find the smallest number in column F. The min function in Visual Basic can be started by opening a new module. The first section of the code signifies where the output will be displayed. The end of the code contains the min function. A button can be added to run the macro. Entering the formula directly into a cell is less complex. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.